Hi viewers, welcome back to Daddy Fever. How to use Badam to boost calcium levels in your body. Almonds, Badam, are an excellent way to boost calcium levels naturally while also providing other vital nutrients like magnesium, vitamin E, and healthy fats. Here are some expanded and creative ways to incorporate almonds into your diet. Daily habits for calcium boost with almonds. Number 1. Soaked almonds for enhanced nutrition. Soak 8 to 10 almonds overnight in water. Peel the skin in the morning, as soaking helps reduce phytic acid, which can interfere with calcium absorption. Consume them first thing in the morning or as a mid-morning snack. Number 2. Homemade almond milk, calcium fortified. Blend soaked almonds with water, strain, and enjoy it as a dairy alternative. Fortify it with powdered calcium supplements. Consult a doctor first, or use fortified almond milk from stores for an added calcium boost. Number 3. Calcium-rich almond butter spread. Use almond butter on whole grain toast or pair it with banana slices. This combination is rich in both calcium and potassium, promoting stronger bones. Number 4. Almond-based smoothies. Blend almond milk with high-calcium fruits like oranges, figs, or kiwi. Add chia seeds or spinach for an extra calcium boost. This makes a perfect breakfast or post-workout drink. Number 5. Roasted or spiced almond snacks. Lightly roast almonds with turmeric, black salt, or paprika for a savory snack. Enjoy a handful during tea time for a calcium and protein-packed treat. Number 6. Calcium-packed almond trail mix. Mix almonds with dried figs, apricots, sesame seeds, and sunflower seeds. This combination provides not just calcium but also magnesium and phosphorus, essential for bone health. Number 7. Almond porridge. Add crushed almonds to oats or semolina porridge cooked with milk. This can be sweetened naturally with honey or dates, making it a nutritious breakfast option. Number 8. Almond desserts with a twist. Prepare homemade almond halwa or kheer using almond milk, almond flour, and jaggery. These desserts not only satisfy your sweet tooth but also boost your calcium intake. Additional tips for maximum calcium absorption. Pair almonds with vitamin D sources. To improve calcium absorption, consume almonds alongside foods rich in vitamin D, such as eggs, mushrooms, or fortified cereals. Limit oxalate foods during meals. High oxalate foods, like spinach, can interfere with calcium absorption when consumed in large quantities. Eat them at different times of the day. Stay consistent. Incorporate almonds daily but ensure you balance their consumption with other calcium-rich foods like dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified options. Would you like recipes for almond milk, halwa, or a calcium-rich smoothie to try at home?